Folks, there was a mishap on the website end, and we had the wrong group of people for random number 5. So what we're gonna do is we have the correct list now. The break's already done. However, what we're gonna do is run the random, and then we'll hit the recap of the box that we just opened. So we're gonna first do the rolls. We got 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and there is 8 times with our 8 pips. And 8 times, 8 pips. Okay. Excuse me. Oh, that one hurt. That one hurt quite a bit. I'm gonna reprint this sheet so I don't confuse myself later. Alright, so what you're seeing on screen is the actual list for English random number 5. That being said, we have to re-roll the Dawn. We'll re-roll that. And for the hits, we have number 5 on the parallel of Sakazuki. So this one's going out to Forever Mini. I have the secret rare, number 9 of Blackbeard. This is going to Master Meow with the number 9. We have our SRs, number 6, 2, 8, 5, 6, 3, and 5. Those are our hits, and we're gonna redo the random real quick to see who's getting the Dawn from this break. Top 2 spots. All right, top 2 spots get Dawn. We have 7 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and right there is 7 pips. 7 times Emperez and Jimmy Fan getting the Dawn. Thanks again, folks. Appreciate it. And yeah, we've got some more One Piece. I think I just got word that Dragon Ball is coming up next.